Hi friends, welcome back to Enki's channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about conditional statements in Python. In this video, we will be discussing about loops in Python. So first, what are loops? Loops are the block of code which get executed repeatedly for a specific number of times. In loops, there are two types of loops. They are for loop and while loop. For loop is used for executing a code repeated number of times as we specify, whereas while loops are used to execute a block of code continuously till a condition is satisfied. Today we will be seeing while loop, and in the next video we will be discussing about for loop. So first, today let's get started with while loop. While loops are used to print something or to execute a block of code as long as a condition is true or as long as we reach a condition. The best example is to print a range of numbers. So first, let's declare a variable. So let me name my variable a and let me give a the value of 1. So I want to start printing from 1 and I want to print till 10. So first, let me give while. The while keyword is used to define a while loop, and while a is lesser than 11, because if we keep a is lesser than 10, it will not go to 10 because 10 is not lesser than 10 and it will stop. So while a is greater than 11, so we have to keep a colon here, and then if we click on enter we will get an automatic indent, and I want to print a. So print a. And next, I want to increase a value by 1. For that we can just do simply a equal to a plus 1, but there is a much more efficient way of doing this. And here we will also be learning about a new operator which is plus equal to. Plus equal to 1. So a plus equal to 1 is nothing but a equal to a plus 1. It's just a shortcut. If I do a plus equal to 2, that will be a equal to a plus 2. And similarly there is minus equal to also, but we won't be doing it right now. So let me run the code. And you can see that it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if we understand the code clearly, first it's defining the variable a and then checking whether a is lesser than 11. So first a will be lesser than 11, and so it will go here and print a, and then it will increase the value of a by 1 and then it will become 2, and again 2 is lesser than 11, so it will keep on repeating till 10. 10 is lesser than 11, so it will print 10, and the next number will be 11 because a plus equal to 1, which makes a 11, and then 11 is not lesser than 11, so here the condition became false and the code has stopped running and it printed till 10. And another great example for using the while loop is to print a table of any number, the multiplication table of any number. For now, let's print the table of 5. So first let me define a variable a equal to 5, and let's declare another variable b equal to 1. And I want to do till 10 times, so I want to print it till 5 times 10. So while, here we are dealing with b variable because we will be incrementing b. We will always be doing a into b. So while b is lesser than 11, I want to print first I have 5, and let me give the star in double quotes. Star is just the operator in Python, but here we are just printing 5 times, so we can use the normal multiplication which is into. For that let's just use x, and I'm giving this in double quotes because x is a string and x is not an integer, and we know that all strings should be given in double quotes. So after 5 we have to give comma to print a sequence of things, and after x I want to print B. So B, because B will be 1 at first. So 5 into B, and next I want to print equal to as a string. So I have to keep it in double quotes. And next I want to print 5 into B. So let me just do 5 star B. And you might be thinking, what is the use of the variable A then? So we can replace 5 with A here. If we replace 5 with A, then we will be able to print table of any number. And now let me click on enter. And I want to increment the value of B. So B plus equal to 1. And now let's run the code and see whether it works. You can see that the code is working perfectly. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, and it's printing till 5 times 10. Now, if I replace A with 8, it will print the 8 table. You can see that it is printed 8 table. So, whatever is the value of A, it will print the table of that number. In this way, we can use while loops. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, we will be discussing about for loops in Python. Thank you for watching.